Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix spacebar or enter keys not working on your Windows 10 or 11 or on your Windows 7 or Windows 8. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Let's start the video. Guys, if your spacebar or enter key is not working in all of your Windows PC, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. The first method is you just need to click on this start menu, then click on settings. In left side you will find accessibility, just click on this. Come to the right side, you need to search for keyboard. You can see a keyboard, click on this. Here you can see sticky keys and filter keys. If these both options are enabled, you just need to disable this option. After disabling, just close this window. Now move to this second step, click on start menu, right click on that, then open device manager. In this you need to find keyboard, double click on that, select your keyboard, right click on that, click on update. Before clicking update driver, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers and close this window. If this option doesn't work, then try the third method. Right click on that, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select your driver, click on next and close this window. After that it will ask for the restart, just click on yes and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing all these steps still you are facing the issue, then the last and final method will be you just need to right click your keyboard driver and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall. After completion of the uninstall, you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix spacebar or enter key is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.